Hi everyone, and welcome to another video in our monthly Innovation Highlight series. So let's discover this month's Innovation Highlight.
Meet Sophia, a sourcing manager who's currently creating an RFP and is eager to check out the new feature enabling her to negotiate necessary terms and conditions of the sourcing requirement by using a baseline contract. Now that the RFP is ready to go, she needs to add the contract terms, so she selects the new option for associated contracts. Here, she sees that they are broken down into two sections, baseline contract and supplier contract. Her initial step here is to create the baseline contract. She follows the typical steps to create the contract and necessary terms. She then selects her preferred template and confirms the creation. It's now linked to the guided sourcing event. Now, from the contract workspace, she adds the main agreement by simply uploading it and adding some pertinent details, and clicks Create. Now, within the Actions menu, she selects Full View. She sees her sourcing project listed under Predecessor Project and clicks to navigate back to the sourcing project. She opens the associated contract and notices that she now has the ability to update the baseline contract. Buyers can create or update a baseline contract from the guided sourcing interface or using open APIs included in the Contract Workspace Management APIs. A baseline contract can be associated with a guided sourcing project at any stage until the project is awarded. Sophia has updated a line item in the baseline contract and is now ready to publish it. Next, she goes back to the RFP to start the bidding and begin monitoring the event. Here we can see that suppliers participating in the guided sourcing project can download the legal contract document or main agreement attached to the baseline contract associated with the project. To negotiate with suppliers participating in the guided sourcing project, buyers can create supplier contracts. A supplier contract is a copy of the most recent baseline contract that is published. It contains the header data and documents, including the main agreement and the contract's line items document from the baseline contract. Sophia also notices a new tab for creation history, which includes the supplier name, creation date, status of the contract creation request, and any error details that may be present. Sophia is quite pleased that this new feature allowed her to engage and negotiate contractual terms with suppliers involved in her guided sourcing project. Within SAP Ariba Category Management, you now have the ability to view supplier risk level. This feature enables organizations to integrate SAP Ariba Category Management with SAP Ariba Supplier Risk. The integration allows category managers to view and assess the risk level, low, medium, and high, associated with each supplier in SAP Ariba Category Management. Understanding the risk level associated with a supplier can help category managers with their strategy decisions. Additionally, you now have the ability to maintain attachments in the Develop Strategy and Plan app. With this new feature, you can add a broader range of file types as attachments. You can then easily preview your attachments without having to download the document. And you can even add links as attachments, thus helping you add extra context to your strategy and plan documents.
Curious to see what's coming next? Then subscribe and follow for more innovation updates with SAP Ariba.